It's been a long time I ordered this from USA. It took near about 40 days to receive this item. Basically, it took only 7 days to reach this package from USA to India. After that, it is stuck in FedEx office. They didn't deliver it. I have a pretty bad experience with this FedEx. Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video. So near about 1.5 months ago, I make a video about how to import from, how you guys can import from USA to India to your country, USA or UK to India using ship7.com, and this video gets near about 5k views, and this is the next part of the video. On my previous video, I show you guys how I ordered few items from Amazon.com which is not available in our country. Also, the seller doesn't ship those items internationally. So I registered to Ship7 reshipping service and they provide me an USA address which I can use to ship my items. I copied the Ship7 address to Amazon address, then I shipped those items to my Ship7 Delaware tax-free warehouse. It took near about 3-4 days to reach the package to Ship7 warehouse, and then within 2-3 working days the package was listed on Ship7 dashboard. Also, they upload few pictures of the packages and what's inside them. Last month on 6th October, I created an order on ship7.com to ship my item to my address. And while choosing shipping, I choose FedEx because the FedEx was cheap. It's around $46 or other is around 58 something. So I choose FedEx. Payment mode or Ship7 is very simple and easy. I paid using my Ship7 account balance, but we also can pay using our debit card, credit card and PayPal. Your order was successfully saved. So this is the order number and 10th October 2020 is the order date, and I click on here, and as you see guys, same day, the day I placed the order, they shipped the item using FedEx, and this is the FedEx tracking number. I can track my parcel on FedEx using the tracking number. Let's track. And guys, this is the whole tracking information. And as you see guys, on 6th October 2020, the FedEx pick up the shipment from Ship7 warehouse. Here I open Google Map, and this is our lovely India, and this is United States, and here somewhere here is the Ship7 Delaware warehouse. On 6th October, the day I booked the shipment, FedEx pick up the shipment from this Delaware Ship7 warehouse. Then FedEx took it to Newark, and from here it pick up a flight or cargo flight, whatever, and cross this whole North Atlantic Ocean and race to France, Paris, and here there is a airport name Charles, where it is. Okay, this is the airport, Paris Charles de Gaulle. I hope I pronounced it right. I just opened the tracking information, so you will get it guys. So 6th October around 11, FedEx pick up the shipment from Ship7 warehouse, and next day on 7th October it pick up flight from Newark and landed on Roissy Charles de Gaulle airport in France, and after 2 days later it pick up the flight and came to New Delhi. On 10th October, the shipment left the Paris Charles de Gaulle airport and came to, this is India, and it came to India, New Delhi. And Sunday on 11th October, the package cleared the customs. Before that, I think 9th October, the FedEx called me for the KYC.
Customer, your shipment under FedEx tracking number 3975 is stuck at customs due to non-receipt of KYC documents. Kindly attach your government-issued Know Your Customer documents, for example, an identity and address proof or GSTIN number as applicable. You may visit our URL kyc.fedex.com in order to upload your documents. Thank you.
I also got an email from FedEx to upload KYC. To upload KYC, we need to go to kyc.fedex.com, and here I click on submission of KYC documents. Then I register my details there. And here we need to choose a proper importer-exporter exemption code, IEC. It's required to calculate your custom fees. After selecting EIC, I upload my Aadhaar card as my KYC document and submit the form. After submitting the form, I got a confirmation call from FedEx.
तो जैसे कि मैं देख पा रही हूँ आपकी जो KYC है वो कंप्लीट हो चुकी है।
Okay.
ओके सर, तो अब आपको और कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्स अपलोड करने की जरूरत नहीं है।
Last month, 10th October, when the package came in India, FedEx cleared the customs by themselves. I personally called FedEx customer care for around 20 times or more. I requested them to deliver the shipment to my address, but they didn't deliver it.
Yes, sir. I've done the needful over here. I've informed the team that the duty amount will be ready in cash. So please arrange for a delivery. So most probably, sir, you can expect this delivery. If it happens by today, you can expect today before any time before 8 o'clock. Otherwise, latest by tomorrow, sir.
Okay, tomorrow morning is fine. Okay.
Yeah.
2-3 days ago, they called me and said that my shipment is suspended and I need to pick it up. And I have to pay around 2,000 and I need to pay around 2,535 customs duty. On Monday, 12 October 2020, 6 days after the item shipped from Delaware Ship 7 warehouse, I got a message on my phone that the item is out for delivery. And I'm excited. And on that day, the item did not deliver to my address. So I thought like there is some problem. Maybe tomorrow they will deliver it. But next day, I got a message like my address is incorrect. There is some problem with my address. They didn't find me. So that's the reason they didn't deliver it. But the truth is FedEx do not want to deliver it to my address. Maybe because of Corona pandemic, there is shortage of man. But it's a lie. My address was correct. They say it's an incorrect address. The delivery guy did not call me, and after that they probably put my address is an incorrect address. Then I call them probably 20 times or more, and 13, 14 every day I call them. Then a month later I decided to go to FedEx office and pick it up the shipment by myself. They sent me an email to pay the money directly to their bank account, which I feel kind of suspicious, so I decided not to pay the money and asked them that I will pay the money on cash on delivery. So whenever they give me the shipment, I will pay the money. But after a lot of requests, the FedEx didn't send the shipment to my address. Now I'm going to pick it up. In front of me is the Central Park metro station, and I'm going towards FedEx. It's on Sector 5. I'm around 2 kilometers away from the FedEx. Thanks to Google Map, I reached my destination. Behind me is the FedEx. They also told me my shipment is not deliverable to my address, to my pin code, which is near about 12-13 kilometers away from here. I live near Dom Airport. So I don't know what's going on with FedEx. So let's go inside and pick up my shipment, guys. Okay. So guys, here is the parcel which I received using shift7.com, and I bought it from amazon.com, and inside this I think they have 3 items, and I will unbox it at my home. And here I'm just going to show you like how much custom duty I paid. Custom duty is 967 points, then IGST is 975 rupees 82 paisa, then duty advance charges is 500 rupees, and then you need to pay 18%. In total it's 2535 rupees. So let's go to home, guys. Here I secure the parcel on the cycle carrier, and this is my cycle, and now I'm heading towards my home, and after going home I'll unbox it. Probably I have everything on this box. So let's go, guys. This is Sector 5, the ID sector of Kolkata. It is quite empty, not much people. The buses are empty. There is not much people inside bus. It is too full. It's been long time I ordered this from USA. It took near about 40 days to receive this item. Basically, it took only 7 days to reach this package from USA to India. After that, it is stuck in FedEx office. They didn't deliver it. I have a pretty bad experience with this FedEx. And here, as you see, the seal is broken. Probably the custom officer break this seal, and they charged 2,535 rupees as a customs duty. So now guys, let's unbox it. So those are the 3 items that I ordered from USA, and it's successfully there. This is the automatic battery charger for my bike. This is the desulfator. Wow. And this is the aluminum shock mount for my Blue Yeti. Wow, that's good. So guys, that's how I import few items from USA to India using ship7.com. I have an awesome experience using ship7.com, but at the end FedEx ruined everything, and I'm not going to use FedEx again. But at the end I get my package. That's the good news, and everything is working. Some of this unboxing and review of this package will coming soon guys. And if you guys have any question, any suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. On my previous video you guys asked me a lot of questions, so the Q&A video is coming soon. So guys, that's being said, my name is Obid Rai. I'm signing out, and I will meet you on my next video. Till then, bye bye and stay tuned.